Took me a flight to the beach, made them suit on with me. I do whatever I please, I do whatever I think of. I got a Rex on me, he too attached to me. Might put him on, it's easy, you know I gotta do it.
Hey Diamonds, it's Jamequa and welcome to my channel where I show you the ins and outs of what it means to be an entrepreneur. With technology advancing every day, it is now easier to have access to brands all around the world. So what does that mean for your business? You may be having a hard time retaining and acquiring new customers because there's so many options, but no worries. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to implement a specific tool into your marketing strategy so that you can continuously make a lasting impact on your ideal customers. By focusing on the right customer, you can improve your return on investment by 16 times. Before I get into this video, make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell to get notified every time I upload. Let's get right into this video. So how are we going to do this? By implementing the 80-20 rule in your marketing strategy. What is the 80-20 rule? The 80-20 rule states that 80% of your consequences come from 20% of the causes. So you want to find your ideal customer, which is the 20%, and implement the specific tool that we're going to discuss today as part of your 80% marketing strategy. The key to building your business is creating relationships with the right customers. According to Small Biz Genius, the astonishing 75% of customers will favor brands that offer rewards, and 56% of them will stay loyal to those companies that get them. So what is the marketing tool for today's video? Loyalty cards. Loyalty cards can play a key role in the retention of your customers. They can actually put you right in front of your ideal customer. You may be wondering, why loyalty cards? It's an easy way to get an overview of your ideal customers' preferences and their overall behaviors. Other benefits of loyalty cards include, but not limited to, customer retention, increase in revenue, a boost in product and brand awareness, spread word of mouth, effective cross-selling, and making customers feel appreciated. What are loyalty programs and loyalty cards? It's a way for you to gather data about your participating or ideal customers and reward them with offering exclusive discounts and incentives in exchange for their voluntary participation in the program. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a loyalty card for your business completely free. So we're going to go to canva.com and type in loyalty card. And then Canva does have a lot of pre-made templates, but we're going to use the blank template today. Turn the background color to pink. And I'm going to show you what the loyalty card will look like. This is the back of the card. So we're just going to add our logo and let our loyal customers know why they are receiving the card. It's for our loyal customers only. This will make them feel appreciated. And we're just going to resize that to make it fit on the loyalty card. And then we're going to put the title on the second card, which is a loyalty card, and then we're going to tell them what they are going to get. I decided to do 50% off their 5th and 10th order. You can do whatever you feel like will reward your customers. You can even give them a free item of their choice. It just depends on how creative you want to get with your loyalty cards. And the images inside of my loyalty cards are diamonds because I call them my customers' diamonds. If you have a lash company, you can do eyelashes. You can just get as creative as you want. So the picture that I'm showing, I'm using that as a reference to show you how I'm making it. So at the bottom, you can add your website. If you have an address, you can add that. And then I just go to shapes, well, elements, and then I click on the open circle. Duplicate that across the page. And then we're going to go ahead and add the incentive, which is 50% off their 5th and 10th order. So I'm going to put it in the 5th and 10th circle. Next, we're going to go ahead and add our diamond in there. And we're just going to duplicate it across each circle. And that is the front and back. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you loves in my next video. Bye.